Hi everyone, I'm Sarah from Sales.Rocks, and in this video I will show you how to add an email to the platform. In the main menu, we navigate to My Configurations. We go to add a new email configuration, and the first thing we see here are the connection permissions. So you can decide either the connection to be visible only on private level or on company level as well. This also depends on how many users you have in your account. If it's only you using the account, it wouldn't matter which one of these two you will select. The next one we have is the mail provider. So you can choose the mail provider from this drop-down. Today I will connect the Zoho email. Then we fill in the sender name. This is the name that will show when you will be sending the emails from this account. We fill in the email, and the username should be identical to the email field. So that's why we would copy paste the same email. So as you can see here, the SMTP and IMAP settings are already filled, but it's very important to navigate to our Zoho email and check the settings. We navigate here to mail accounts, and it's very important to make sure that IMAP is enabled. In case if this box is not ticked off, then please do so. And also here we can see that the email that we're trying to connect is an organization level, and that's why the IMAP settings are a bit different. So we just copy paste this one and we will change it here. You can see here we have imap.zoho.eu, but we will need this one, and the same one goes for the SMTP. The password, if you're not using a two-factor authenticator, then you can just fill in your regular password that you're using, and you can send a test email to yourself. You can use the same email address or a different one. And when we press on test and save, you can see here we have success that the email has been connected to the platform. And if you go to your email, you will receive the confirmation email in your inbox as well. I hope this makes things clear. Just to mention, if you're using a different provider which is not from the drop-down menu, then you just fill in these details, the SMTP and IMAP details, directly from your account. And always make sure, in case if you're using a two-factor authenticator, then use a generated app password and fill that one here. I hope this helped. If you have any questions, you can reach out to us on help@sales.rocks.